how to install key services app. So just type get to install it. This app is starting to get really high in the charts. So yeah, you can see how it looks like. View and manage your bank accounts. New improved QI services mobile app is a secure way to manage your QI bank accounts, transfer money, and access your QI payment cards. You can manage your bank account, you manage your card, view your account statements, transfer money from your card. So yeah, I don't know whether this is like a Chinese app or yeah, in which countries this is used. But yeah, seems it's just being used a lot in US. But yeah, then you can just go here and then just create your account with phone number. So here you see it's only +9. Okay, so this is Iraqi app. Sorry, it's not Chinese. So yeah, so just with the phone number and then password. That's how you can log in or just create your account from here. So yeah, this is one of those apps, if there is a community of people, like they can just prefer like their national banking